Toddler Buddies!
Hi, friends! Are you thirsty? Let's make some magic juice!
This is the Juice-O-Matic. But first, we need some fruit. Look! A big, round orange. Let's spell it together. O-R. Orange! Down it goes. Where will it go next?
First, we wash the orange. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Now the rollers squish the juice out. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
Look at all that orange juice. It's traveling through the pipes.
Now let's add something purple. Grapes. G-R-S. Grapes. In they go. Mix, mix, mix. Orange and purple.
The juice is ready! Get your cups!
Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Splash. Mmm. Fresh fruit juice is so healthy for us. And the skins go here to help the garden grow. Nothing is wasted. We keep our kitchen clean and our bodies healthy.
Do the juice wiggle with me! Shake, shake, shake!
You are a great helper. We made the best juice ever.
High five, friend! You did it! I'm gonna make more juice for my friends. See you soon!
Eat your fruit and stay smart. Bye-bye from Toddler Buddies.
Like, share, and subscribe to Toddler Buddies for new fun videos.